is for Ariel. She is a mermaid with amazing hair. A is also for Apple. Look, it's over there. B is for Batman. He is brilliant and brave. B also for Ball. Bounce, bounce, save. C is for Car. C is also for Cow. In the field afar. D is for Dinosaur. Watch out for his tooth. D is also for Duggee. D-d-d. Ah, woof.
Oh, woof, woof.
E is for Elsa, who is exciting and kind. E is also for Elephant. See her trunk wind. F is for Fairy Godmother. Bibbity, bobbity, boo! F is also for Forky. Fudge, fairy cakes and food. G is for Ladybird. No, Gaston. G is also for Gingerbread Man. Let's taste one.
Not my gumdrop button.
H is for a hippo, who is super duper happy. H is also for Huge Hulk, who can be rather snappy.
Hulk smash.
I is for Iron Man, flying high in the sky. But I'd rather see some ice cream with a slice of apple pie. J is for Joker, who can be rather mean. J is also for Jam. It goes great with clotted cream. K is for King. His name is actually King Thistle. K is also for Kingfisher. Do those birds whistle? L is for Lion. Lovely and loud. L is also for Leader. Strong and proud. M is for Marshall, who is marvellous and merry. M is also for Mickey Mouse, but definitely not Jerry. N is for Norrie, another mouse friend.
Yes.
N is also for Note, a letter we can send. O is for Orange, yummy and sweet. O is also for Octopus. They have 8 feet. P is for Peppa,
Potatoes.
a cheeky little pig. P is also for Pirate. Let's climb the rig. Q is for Queen. Her name is actually Queen Thistle. Q is also for Quail. What about those birds? Do they whistle? R is for Rubble. Dig, dig, go. R is also for Rocky. Throw it in the bin? Oh no. S is for Snow White, who ended up asleep. S is also for Snow. cold, crisp and deep. T is for Thomas, the trusty old train. T is also for trees, growing its leaves again. U is for unicorn. Would you have one as a pet? U is also for umbrella. It stops us getting wet. V is for vehicle, a big red van. V is also for Victor Crumb, a famous wizard man. W is for wise old elf.
I'll take that wand if you please.
W is also for window with a lovely little shelf. X is an odd one. It makes the X sound, like box and fox, from the film Fox and the Hound. Y is for Yeti, a great fluffy beast. Y is also for a raising agent found in bread called yeast. Z is for zebra. You can see them in a zoo. Z is also for zip and zigzag too.